Hello, this is Bruce Fassbinder, Director of Medium Duty Segment Marketing, here today to talk about the new MV series from International. A lot of you are going to instantly recognize the most obvious change we've done, and that's to the hood, but let me start and tell you what enabled this change to the cosmetic appearance of the truck was the changes that we did underneath. We started with redesigning the radiator package, provided a high capacity, high efficiency cooling module that enabled the elimination of the mega bracket on the right frame rail. When we got rid of that mega bracket, that enables the 20-inch front frame extensions for the applications that need that. What we also did underneath the hood is brought in a new on-engine air cleaner. We also moved the fuel water separator and the air dryer underneath the hood compartment. When you lift the hood, you will see that the splash panels go with it from a maintainer's perspective. It allows easy access. All the fluid fills and checks that are underneath the hood are all in line, easy accessible for a maintainer, so that the truck is very friendly to the user. We also enabled an advancement in the gross axle weight rating. We are now capable of 14,700 pounds on the front axle. That changes from 14.6 on the previous models. Some of the other things we did on the hood was we brought in these new pedestal hood mirrors, which are breakaway in design, and those increase the visibility along the side of the vehicle. A great add to almost any truck, particularly for inner city driving and such. As we walk our way rearwards, what we did when we moved the fuel water separator and the air dryer underneath the hood, that enabled us to move the DEF battery boxes, air tanks, and fuel tanks forward more to enable an easier integration from our various truck equipment manufacturers. This has already proven with many of the trucks that we've built for shows so far, gotten lots of compliments on it's nice that there's nothing in our way when we do body integrations. Obviously, we still have the capability that we've always had with our international products, with our Diamond Logic and all of our electrical systems. That is still all available on this product. We've enhanced the interlocks that are capable and such, and we constantly grow that and work with our bodybuilders. And as I walk to the rear of the vehicle and I say, you know, we work with our bodybuilders to allow them the most amount of room to mount their equipment with the least amount of effort. And that is just part of being a Diamond partner with International. We work with you to understand what you do with the truck and how we can make your integration easier.